The best kept secret about Ethereum is that Ethereum is really the new Web 3.0. Very big deal. Let me repeat it. The best kept secret about Ethereum is that it is it's the essence of Web 3.0. That is building the infrastructure of a faster internet connection. Hence why you're here. Maybe you have heard of Internet of Things. Maybe you haven't, but you probably have heard of 5G. 5G is that Internet of Things, IoT, that you may see. Well, Web 2.0 is too slow to do what they are planning to do in the future, which is right now, folks. There's a big vision for what you're going to do with Web 2.0. And that is twofold. Two very important things that's going to be done with Web 2.0. Number one, Web 2.0 is about connectivity. And number two, it's about security. And actually, when I talk about security in my course, I talk about security in relations to NFT. Blockchain technology is what I look at. The term currency, I hate it because people are stuck on money. I'm an IT person. I'm an investor. I'm an entrepreneur. I fully understand the future of what's going to be developed on the blockchain side. And that's what is very important for you to know. Even if you don't choose to do business with me, it's all good. It doesn't matter to me. But you'll be blessed by doing business with me because I drop knowledge and nuggets. Let's go back to connectivity. The number one thing is connectivity. Everything will be connected to the internet. Hence why Web 2.0, when I talk about other trainings about on platforms on YouTube, for example, about Uber and Lyft, going to be wiped out. For those of you, sorry if you're doing Uber and Lyft, I dog Uber and Lyft. I can't help it because it's not a real business. I explain that in a future video you could see on my other platform if you're interested. And because automation, I watch what's going on this is a side note, by the way, I'm sorry. I watch what's going on in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where they're working on automated technology. The ability for Web 2.0 to be, 5G, Internet of Things, to be able to connect all devices. It will help data transmit technology information, data information in a secure manner to the cars, to know not to crash upon each other. Deep stuff, folks. So namely, automation and AI technology is what I'm really talking about. So the infrastructure needs to be much faster for us to experience some of the cool technologies ahead. I just give you a little tip of what's in store and what's already being done and with a bigger vision of that. Security, let's talk about that. Everything, even when I started with cryptocurrency, I cared about security. I know some of you, I'm very conservative, like you, especially if you're a business owner, and security is the most important factor. And even things right now that I'm already predicting will happen, it's already happening, and how one of the cryptocurrencies that I'm already invested in is focused on providing data security for files so you could solve the problem of ransomware. That's not a nugget. As an investor of cryptocurrency, I don't care about the word cryptocurrency, like I said, which is what 90%, folks, that's just my take. 90% of the people who are into crypto are buying the hype of making money. I just shared two very important things that you need to understand about Ethereum, to understand about Internet of Things, and why cryptocurrency solve those problems, and why I'm an investor long term. Everything I'm doing is long-term investments, creating legacy. So cryptocurrency is much more deeper than that, folks. Hopefully you see that.
If this video was helpful to you, please rate it with a thumbs up or thumbs down.